Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Romz. In today's video, I'm going to show you another Christmas paper flower tutorial, and it is a 3D poinsettia. It will look like this. I know last week I already posted a Christmas paper flower poinsettia. However, this time I made a little twist on it and I made it 3D. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. I would really love you to be part of my DIY and crafting family. So please do subscribe, hit that notification bell, so every time I'll be uploading a new video, you'll get notified. And of course, if you wanted to know how I made this pretty 3D poinsettia, just keep on watching. The materials that we need for today are the following. You will need a glue gun and glue sticks, any color of your choice for the cardstock papers. I will use red since it's for Christmas. And then you will need 5 of petals on each layer of this paper flower. First, we are going to glue all the petals together, like so. And as you can see, I already pre-cut all the template that we have for today, so it will make this video much faster. As you can see here, there are 2 cuts on this petal. What you will need to do is to grab the second cut of this petal and glue it at the bottom of the petal itself. And this is how it looks like. It will create a 3D look once we're done assembling all the petals together. And then just continue the same process on the other petals. And then for the second layer of the petals, it just looks like this, and you just have to glue them together. Once you're done gluing all together, we are going to start assembling the paper flower. Now that we're done gluing all the petals together, we are going to assemble all the petals into our 3 inches pentagon base. The first layer of this paper flower are the big petals. grab one of the big petal and put some hot glue at the back of the petal and glue it to our base. And then just glue the other petals on each side of the pentagon base. And then get all the small petals. We are going to glue them in between of the big petals, just like so. So there you have it. This is how it looks like. But of course, we need to put some center, which I already pre-cut as well. I will put all the template of this paper flower into the description below so you can download it for free. For the center, we are going to curl them just a little bit like this. You can use pencil, pen, or even these glue sticks that I'm using right now. And once we're done curling all of our center, we are going to glue them on top of each other. Now that we have the center, we are going to glue it in the middle of our paper flower. So there you have it, a very simple and easy to make 3D poinsettia for your Christmas decoration. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!